the players were brilliant tonight in everything that they did. You know, their tempo, their rhythm in their game. They were relentless with the pressure and the possession, and we worked very, very hard in the game. And I would have been disappointed if we didn't get a point, but to then lose the game and was bitterly disappointing. But I can only compliment the players because they were absolutely fantastic tonight. To play that well at a rival was very pleasing, and we play like that, we'll climb the league very quickly, and that's obviously what we aim to do.
At 2-0 down, plenty of teams could and have here buckled and conceded plenty more.
Yeah, but I wouldn't expect that from this group. Their resilience and persistence is, I've seen it since the first day I walked in here. They're very committed, and I thought the reaction in particular. We actually started the game okay, but the first goal was, a terrific run by Gareth Bale. You've got to give him credit, and obviously Aaron Lennon's tapped in at the back post. Should never have been a free kick. You see the images again. You'll see that Clint Dempsey was, he's been clever. He's had a hand on his back and went over. That was never a free kick. And obviously we're bitterly disappointed with two what I would consider to be clear penalties that we didn't get. I don't know what Steven Gerrard has to do, or Luis Suarez has to do, or the other players have to do to get a penalty. We haven't had a penalty this season, and it was bordering on assault on Steven Gerrard on the first one. So as I said, it's nothing but praise. Really proud of them tonight, and we play like that, we're going to win many more games between now and the end of the season.
When you got the own goal and got back into it, do you think, here we go, we're going to get at least a point?
Yeah, I felt that in the first half. I felt even at 2-0 down, the support that we got from our supporters was brilliant, kept driving us on, and we created chances and opportunities to score. And like you say, whenever you get the goal with a bit of time remaining, you hope that momentum and rhythm can keep you going. But it just wasn't to be. And like as I said, we go away empty-handed. But as I said, we can be very proud of the performance.